Now that we've done the sensors, we're going to go to the digital I/O. Digital I/O is where you can force the outputs and you can look at the inputs as you're handshaking to make sure your digital I/O is working. We have a start signal and we have a new part, and the difference is if you had a machine that was pressing a bearing and then leak testing, you'd have two operations. Operation 1 would be the press, operation 2 would be the leak test. And what happens is when you set the new part input, everything gets cleared, and then you have start of operation 1, and then you hit it again, and start of operation 2. So you can have multiple operations. Over here you've got your operation status, which is, hey, operation 1, what happened? Operation 2, what happened? And your part status is your global. So if operation 1 fails, your part status will be failed. Operation 2 passes, operation status will pass, but because your part has failed, you're going to have a failed part. In most cases, we don't have two operations. Therefore, when you disable the start, the new part input becomes your start signal. And when you hit start, you start the test and you don't have to worry about new part and the start signal. We have 4 inputs here, and you can actually read from I/O the different programs. So this is a BCD signal to call up programs if you had multiple programs, or you can manually select it. And when you put your bits in here, the model type, the number will pop up on the screen. So if you put bit 1, that'll be model 1. Bit 2 is model 2. Bit 1 and 2 would be model 3, and that type of thing. So this is a screen for digital handshaking and selecting how you want to control the test.